Meaning of DUI.
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 DUI. DUI stands for driving under the influence, which is a criminal offense where a person operates a vehicle while under the influence of drugs or alcohol above the legal limit. The consequences of a DUI can be severe and include fines, license suspension or revocation, jail time, and even death or injury to oneself or others. Additionally, a DUI conviction can have long-lasting effects on a person's personal and professional life, including difficulty finding employment and increased insurance rates. It is important to always practice safe and responsible driving habits to avoid the risks associated with DUIs.